could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade.
At last.
We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and
we're gonna draw the king of the dinosaurs.
I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going.
You know him, you love him, Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Somewhere beyond the clouds, you make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space, celestial. Celestial. See the light shining through the rain. A thousand colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my
For many long years,
is a million miles away.
Tyrannosaurus has been a legend for so many fossil records. These beings have been around for more than millennia. Over the years, fossil records of Tyrannosaurus have been recorded and
Nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on.
placed on history as one of America's greatest prehistoric heroes. These Tyrannosaurus has been one of the greatest achieving dinos from all history. These beings have been around in, well, every dinosaur-related series ever. The most famous of all dinosaurs. The fossil records for Tyrannosaurus have always been found in the USA, the United States of America, and Canada. And basically nowhere else. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
You see tonight it could go either way.
And
Hearts balanced on a
basically,
razor blade.
we're drawing the one from Walking with Dinosaurs.
And to rinse and repeat it all again.
As always, this Tyrannosaur has always been the original Tyrannosaurus from the dinosaur series.
Somewhere beyond the clouds, you make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away.
Tyrannosaurus has been a
Like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out.
been like an authority for the Cretaceous, protecting its hatchlings.
See the light shining through the rain. A thousand colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come
And always, like you guys, I have, of course, seen fossil records of Tyrannosaurus and the actual Tyrannosaurus skeleton at the American Museum of Natural History and elsewhere. But what made this prehistoric creature so fascinating? Alexa, stop. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, what is Tyrannosaurus?
Tyrannosaurus was a large predatory dinosaur from the Upper Cretaceous, 68 to 66 million years ago.
Alexa, what else can you tell me about Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Here's something I found on reference.com. The Tyrannosaurus rex was a carnivore and one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs on Earth. It could consume nearly 500 pounds of meat in a single bite. The term Tyrannosaurus means tyrant lizard.
Another thing about this guy, they call him T-Rex for short. Impossible, huh? Now that's smart thinking. That's something, huh? Anyway, there he is.
See the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a brighter shade.
Hopefully we'll get to see Tyrannosaurus again soon.
Silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around? Things don't look up when you're going down.
I saw this guy on Jurassic World Live.
Reaching out from somewhere
Amazing, huh?
beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my childhood heart is a million miles.
I'm glad I added him onto the page.
You make me feel like I'm drunk.
Welcome to the age of dinosaurs, boys. That's all for now. Alexa, what else can you tell me about Tyrannosaurus?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Tyrannosaurus is a genus of large theropod dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus lived throughout what is now western North America. It was a bipedal carnivore with a massive skull balanced by a long, heavy tail. Its front legs were tiny compared to the hind legs. Tyrannosaurus was a carnivore or meat eater.
Tyrannosaurus has been so famous, it even had its own exhibition at the Museum of Natural History. I'm proud you guys got to see me draw Tyrannosaurus. The dinosaur playlist is never gonna stop evolving. That's right, boys. This is what happens when we join forces. This is also what happens when we start walking with dinosaurs.